Hello and welcome everyone. This is Sunil from 3D Archviz, and in this video tutorial I am going to explain you a amazing alternative of MegaScan bridge. So if you are new to Unreal Engine and you are using Unreal Engine after January 2025, then you will notice that nothing is free for you. Like everything which we as old user had free of cost, around 14,000 material and models combined together, we had 14 to 15,000 materials and texture available for us as free, and we were allotted all those materials and textures for free after January 2025 by MegaScan and Epic. But if you're someone who is using Unreal Engine for the first time or maybe in last 1 year, then you will notice that most of the material from MegaScan are not free for you and they are paid for you. If you are still getting some of the materials and textures or models on MegaScan for free, it's great. That's better and that's good for you. But the point is, if you are new, then you will not be having all the materials of MegaScan for free. So you have limited option of using your own texture or texture from any online library, and you will realize that Polyheaven and ambientCG have thousands of material free for you to download. But for that, you will have to go to Polyheaven, and here you will see thousands of material which you can download for free and use it in Unreal Engine. But the biggest problem here using this material is you will have to download the material, you will have to download the texture, then go to Unreal Engine and then create a material out of this and then apply it on your asset, which is very time consuming and inefficient. To use this whole library just on a single click, you can just go ahead and use any of this material available on the Polyheaven and ambientCG inside Unreal Engine as a PBR material with the help of this software known as Kryon. So which I have been using lately a lot. And yeah, this is perfect for me to use the entire library of Polyheaven, like entire material library of Polyheaven and entire material library of ambientCG just in a single click, so intuitively put together. And you can just go here, like I'm on Polyheaven, you can change to ambientCG also. So when you click on ambientCG, the entire library from ambientCG will be in front of you just on one click. And here when you click on Polyheaven, the entire library of the Polyheaven will be just in front of you one click. Here you can just go ahead and search the material you want. For an example, I want wood, so you can just search for the wood. So see here, you have all the material related to wood on Polyheaven in front of you. You could just scroll down and it will keep loading until it's done, loading all the wooden material. And if you just go ahead and you can switch between if you want the ORM texture, you want the VT virtual texture, or you want it to be in 1K, 2K, 4K and 8K. So all this entire thing are done and managed by this application, where you just have to select a texture, click on send to Unreal Engine and then just use it. So if I have already downloaded it in 1K, I can go ahead and download it. So I have already downloaded it in 1K and 4K. And I will show you, I can just click on send to Unreal Engine. And then you have to keep your Unreal Engine open where you want to bring this material and just click and then send to Unreal Engine and it's done. One click. So entire Polyheaven and ambientCG material library in front of you just on a single click, sent to Unreal Engine with the entire PBR workflow done for you as a material. So if I go here, Kryon and 1K, and if I go here and then apply this, I already have this material here inside the Unreal Engine. And if I open this, I will have a material instance inspired from the MegaScan, and I can go ahead and add anything I want. So I can just go ahead and increase or decrease the normal of this. And yeah, if you are using MegaScan lately, then you understand that you can change the tiling, change the albedo, like you want to give some tint, metallic, roughness, specular and normal SS, and then texture you want to replace. The point is, if you have bridge, go ahead and use it with all the materials library here. And if you are new, or sometime this also happens is like sometime also you don't find a specific texture on bridge, and bridge is especially related to kind of game textures, right? which is amazing. You should be using as much as material from MegaScan, but the point is you are not limited to MegaScan only. You are not limited to go to Polyheaven, find an individual material, then download it and then convert it and use it. So if you're not using a material from MegaScan and you have a separate texture which you want to use, it's going to be time consuming. But if you happen to find it material or texture on Polyheaven and ambientCG, so if thousands of material library from MegaScan plus 8,000, so ambientCG and Polyheaven both combined together, you will have around 8,000 materials to be used just in one click, very well prepared. I will be going ahead and making more videos on this, how to use it, but for letting you understand, here is the settings panel and it is available for Unreal Engine 5.7. So you just have to install and then configure it and then done. You can go ahead and connect with Cloudflare. So you can also generate. So I have these have multiple features which I will be making more tutorial of. And one more thing is that if you want to get this application or purchase it, you will have to go on the link here. So if you go to the link, you will be using 3D Arc Stuffs as the code and you will get 10% off automatically on this app. So if you can go here and then just go ahead and paste go, and then and I will give the link, the affiliate link of this app on the YouTube video description, and then you can just click on that app link and then you can purchase it and you will be getting 10% off automatically. This is also for 5.7. As you can see here, it does support 5.7. It has been updated to 5.7. And later on, this one will also be updated here to 5.7. So to conclude, you have an app named as KryoneBridge, which can find all the materials available on MegaScan and all the materials on Polyheaven and ambientCG, combine them together in a single app, and then on one click it will create a PBR material and then you can send it to Unreal Engine and use it. And all this material available on ambientCG and Polyheaven are geared towards architecture and game both. So just in few dollars you can go ahead and add the amazing flexibility of using the entire Polyheaven and ambientCG, and this payment is once, so you don't have to pay it monthly, which is even better because it's a one-time purchase and then entire library is there for you to be used. So I will highly recommend this app if you really want to increase your library for Unreal Engine. And I think this video will help you out. I will see you in the next video. Till then, have a great time.